Hi guys, today let me show you how to assemble the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer-ST Electric Bike. Remove the appropriate wrench from the hex key wrench set. Attach the kickstand to the frame and tighten the screws. Remove the handlebar fitting screws from the handlebar mounting bracket. Attach the handlebar to the mounting bracket and rotate it to the correct position. Tighten the screws. Turn the bike upside down, unscrew the screws and remove the front wheel bearings. Remove plastic protector of the front disc brake. Remove the protective plastic tabs. Place the front wheel on the fork. Install the two spacers and tighten the nuts with a spanner. Unscrew the screws on the dial gauge. Put on the LED display and adjust it to the right position. Tighten screws of the LED display. Tighten the riser screws. Put the soft plug in place. Unscrew the screws. Install the lights to the designated position and tighten the screws. Connect the light wires in the direction indicated on the connector. Install the left and right pedals respectively according to the logo. Use wrench to complete pedal installation. Press the button to check the remaining battery power. Connecting the charger. Open the soft plug on the charging port and connect the charger for charging. Adjust the car seat. Press the switch to start the bike and test the bike's functions. Changing gear. Lights. Horn. Throttle and brake. So this was the whole box. Now let's going to drive the Boxer-ST.